What's going on, everyone? I just wanted to make a quick video covering the Ovel Compact Laptop Stand. I bought this from Amazon for about $13 and it's easily become one of my favorite MacBook Pro accessories. Now, if you go on Amazon and search for a laptop stand or MacBook Pro stand, a lot of them are kind of big, clunky things that you put on your table. So those work out well if you use your laptop as a more stationary device that you have on your desk. But for me, I wanted a stand that I could use to make it more ergonomic when I'm on the kitchen table or a coffee table or just anywhere around the house that I might be using it. This is where the Ovel stand really appealed to me. This has to be one of the most compact and sleekest stands I've come across. Once you order it, basically you just get this box. Inside the box, a piece of plastic. Then you go ahead and take this out and this is what you have. This sticks to the very bottom of your computer. So whenever you have your MacBook Pro with you, the stand is also with you. You don't have anything clunky to carry around. You don't have to worry about forgetting it. If you have your computer, automatically you have your stand. Flip it around back. You have 3 little adhesive points, and this sticks to the bottom of your computer. This is not the original adhesive that came on it. I've been using it on my computer for about 2 months now, so I went ahead and took it off so I could do this review on it. So just to make sure I get a good adhesion again, I went ahead and took off the old one and stuck my own double-sided 3M tape on there. So let me go ahead and stick this back on the computer and I'll show you how it works. All right, so we went ahead and got it back installed. As you can see, it just sticks right here to the back of the computer. Some people on the reviews put it right down over here, but for me, I found it a lot more stable to put it up here. It makes it more easier as well because the MacBook Pro has these 2 dots and then it has 2 screws right over here. So you can use that as kind of guides to put it at the center here and then straight right over here. The way it works is the stand has 2 integrated feet. It has these 2 here that are about 1.5 inches each. And then those fold back in, and then you have these much bigger ones, and these are about 3 inches each. So let's go ahead and flip this over and I'll show you what it looks like. So real quick, as you can see at the bottom, it does add a few millimeters of space, but honestly, when you're using the computer, you really don't realize it's there. It just adds a very subtle, slight angle to the computer when you rest it down. All right, so if you're someone that's asking yourself, why do I need a stand for my MacBook Pro? I don't need that. I use my laptop perfectly fine. Let me tell you a reason. If you have the MacBook Pro, here's a reason why you'll most likely want one. And I promise you, after this, you'll be sold. When you use your laptop on the table, if you're at just the right height, just the right angle, if you're typing, these annoying sharp corners have a tendency to dig into your wrist. And it gets very annoying. I know you've all experienced it. So when you have the stand, let me claw back here, get out the legs real quick. It raises it ever so slightly that it's just enough to get these corners out of your way and you do not have that issue anymore. So turn it around to the side, you can see it's a very subtle, not too much of a raising it to make a difference on how you use it. Touch it on all corners, very stable, no movement, no wobble. These basically fold back in, so when you're done with them, so when you're gonna get the bigger legs, you just go ahead and claw them out and they come out very easy. So you can see this adds a lot more height to it compared to the other one. Bring it around the side, much bigger difference. I really don't use this mode much unless I'm watching a movie or something, because realistically it's just too high of an angle to use comfortably. And maybe if you have an external mouse or external keyboard, it might make sense. But for me, I really don't use this mode much. I'm mostly on the small mode and that works great for me. All right, that's about it. So if you need a portable MacBook stand, stop looking. This is the one you need to get. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.